What's up, guys? Alright, so we're back for another video, and in this video we're actually going to talk about the new 2018 MacBook Pro. In this video, what we're going to do is unbox this baby, probably turn on and probably compare just the size comparison, and maybe even look at the new keyboard and see if they resolved that issue. And from there, we're just going to maybe make another video and kind of do like a comparison between this and my older MacBook Pros and see how well it does with Premiere Pro, Final Cut, and whatnot, and just kind of get the feel of it as we make more videos and kind of explore the new MacBook Pro. So I went to my local Best Buy specifically to pick up this baby, and they only had a few in stock, and I was surprised because I actually went to the Apple store to pick this up, and they were like, well, we don't have it on display, and we're not sure when we're gonna have it. And I'm like, well, it's being sold on your Apple website right now. Anyways, I went online and I looked at and seen that this was at Best Buy, so I went there, picked it up. Here we are. Let's unbox it, baby. And no, I don't have my regular little box knife, but I'm gonna use the scissors because they'll work regardless. Alright, so spec-wise, I got the base model edition of the 15-inch MacBook Pro. And I wanted to buy this because for the majority of the people that just want to get into the entry-level MacBook Pros, really wanted to buy this, compare it with my 2013 MacBook Pro and also my 2017 MacBook Pro 13-inch. So anyways, enough talking, let's open this baby up. There you go. So on this side, you have two Thunderbolt 3 ports, your Type-Cs, and your headphone jack. On this side, two more Thunderbolt 3 ports, and so that gives you a total of 4. So also in the box, you get a Thunderbolt 3, or I'm sorry, a Type-C cable, of course, and with it comes your power brick adapter. Of course, you get your manual. Here's your stickers, manuals. So that's everything that's in the box. I'm gonna put this stuff over here for now. And let's open this baby up. So to give you a comparison of size, especially if you're coming from like a 2013 MacBook Pro, this is my 2013 MacBook Pro, and if you look at it, see if we can get a good comparison here. Of course, it's just a tad bit thinner, but the footprint on it, hopefully you can see this, so maybe about a ½ inch here, a little less on this side. They are side by side. Well, that's it for me, guys. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing of the new 2018 MacBook Pro. I will be doing another video doing comparisons with this and my old MacBook Pro, but more importantly, looking at Hey Siri, also looking how it performs with Premiere Pro with 4K footage, also with Final Cut Pro for all those Final Cut Pro users out there, and how it compares and how fast it is. Hooking this up to an external monitor and using that as well, how does that compare? So again, all these things I'm going to be doing in future videos, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss those videos, guys. And besides that, my friends, I will catch you guys in the next one.